lap 7, which I believe is about 3 miles. I'll show that to you in a minute. So when you're exercising here on the track, you're going to come to a place that's absolutely beautiful view, because most of it's underneath here by the lifeboats. It's a long track, goes the entire length of the ship. So I'll show you the view. It's absolutely cool when you come around the corner. All right, we're approaching the aft. Doesn't get much better than that right there. Not much better. So as you can see, that's a pretty awesome view right there. Gotta keep going. I'm on lap 9, so I'm almost to 4 miles. That's the best I've done in a while. Well, all good things got to come to an end.
So this cruise is the last sign of the starting sea, but we will be back.
We will be back. Big ship, nice ship.
But hopefully when we do come back, Pat has better luck to get the casino.
Yeah, because it ain't been good.
Maybe he'll get Mike's luck.
That's why we can't go on another cruise for 6 years, because I'm broke. Yep.
And it went crap on this.
Nothing. All right. Anyway, Michael did. Michael would have probably almost out, I think, $2,800 bucks. So playing minimum bets too. All right. So anyway,
Cheers.
tomorrow we go drive home. We don't come back on another ship until January 12th, and that's on the Enchantment. So we're gonna be doing other stuff during the holidays. So anyway, we'll see you. I did a ship tour today. I'll have that put up if you already ain't seen it. So we'll see you.
Cheers.
Cheers and
Stars and party at your cruise.
see ya.